I guess by now everyone has heard of Tiny11, but in case you've somehow missed the hype, then you should know that Tiny11 is a very lightweight build of Windows 11 Pro 22H2. This type of OS is an ideal option for those who need a stripped down, bare bones operating system and for those with older hardware on which a regular copy of Windows 11 doesn't actually offer the best performance. However, it is important to know that there is no official support for Tiny11, so it won't automatically update and you won't have access to most of the features of a regular Windows 11 operating system. This project was created by NTDev and can be downloaded from archive.org. The link will be in the description of this video. There you will find two ISO files, Tiny11b1 and Tiny11b2. As of right now, I'm still not sure why there are two ISOs. There are no details in the description regarding this, but the B2 ISO is approximately 700 megabytes larger than B1, and when installed, it occupies 1.5 gigabytes more. So for this video, I chose the first option, Tiny11b1, because of its size and decided to compare it against a regular copy of Windows 11, an official ISO downloaded from Microsoft. This way we can clearly see the difference in size and whatever was removed in order to make it so lightweight. So I'm going to run them both in an identical virtual machine with the same settings and check them both out side by side. If you plan on installing Tiny11, I do recommend watching this video until the end to see the somehow surprising result that I've noticed after the updates. And please let me know in the comments if you want me to compare Tiny11 with Windows 11 Superlight from Ghost Spectre, which is so far my favorite light version of Windows 11. I do have a video about Windows 11 Ghost Spectre, and if you are interested in learning more about it, then feel free to watch this video. The link will be in the description. Also, keep in mind that even if everyone on YouTube is talking right now about Tiny11, at the end of the day, this OS still comes from basically unknown sources. I personally have nothing with it, I just present it for educational purposes only, so if you download, install or use this operating system, you do so at your own risk. And that's about it with the chit-chatting. Let's get to the point and see what's the real difference between these two operating systems. And as always, if you enjoy the content on this channel, please feel free to subscribe.